In this tutorial, I just wanted to spend a couple of minutes talking about the LEN function in Microsoft Excel, which returns the number of characters in a text string. So all I have to do to this function is v equals LEN, open parentheses, and the only argument that is required is a text. So as you can see, the word apple has 5 characters in it. And if I copy and paste this down, you'll see that for some reason some of these words have a larger number of characters than you would think the word should have. And that is because there are spaces on the end of this word beef. For example, so there's beef with a bunch of spaces, which is effectively 8 characters. And this is super helpful in identifying if there is a text that has extra characters that you might not expect, and it can help you troubleshoot whether lookup functions are working or not. Or you can say if a word is certain number of characters longer or shorter, then kind of use some criteria ifs functions on that. So hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.